We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We are showing you how to make our creamy, cheesy bean dip. This is perfect when served with tortilla chips or veggies. Some bean dip recipes call for onion and garlic powder, but we prefer to use fresh. So to start, chop some onion and mince a good amount of garlic. Remember that ingredient amounts for all of our recipes are found on Inspired Taste. We also make our own spice blend by combining chili powder, ground cumin, smoked paprika, and ground coriander. Add the onion and garlic to a little olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Cook until the onions are soft and smell sweet, then stir in the spices. Here I've got a bowl of refried beans. This can be from a can or homemade. To the beans, we add the spiced onions and garlic, salsa, a small can of chopped green chilies, cream cheese, and sour cream. Use a fork or a hand blender to mix everything together until well blended. It's also a good idea to taste the dip and check to see if it needs any salt or pepper. Now transfer about half of the dip to a baking dish and scatter a handful of cheese over it. Then top with the remaining dip. Spread that out and finish with more cheese. For more tips like how to make this in advance, how to make it in a slow cooker, and how to make it vegan, see the recipe on Inspired Taste. Bake the dip in a hot oven until heated throughout and the cheese is melted. Serve straight away as is, or do what we do and add a few fresh ingredients to the top like diced avocado, tomatoes, cilantro, and sliced jalapeno. And that's it. Easy, cheesy, creamy bean dip. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.